Hi guys, thank you for watching me and stepping on my video. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for more content, new video every week. After I reach 1000 subscribers, I will be giving away watercolor painting set. So don't miss a chance to win really good quality watercolor paints. Today let's have fun with watercolor and create some watercolor doodles. Why don't we create some birds? I see with whatever watercolor I have, these very funny round balls can be very nice and cute as a birds, right? As a cartoon birds. Let's doodle some birds with colorful pens.